Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Sir Lenbert.
Okay, hero come from the front and lead the prayer.
Right, classmate? Yes, we are ready. Oh God, the creator of the heavens and the universe, you are worthy of our praise. You alone, we pray and submit ourselves, for we are nothing worthy. We humbly ask for your forgiveness and mercy. We gathered here today with the intent of doing good in heaven. Guide us to the right path, knowing our blessed insight, understanding wisdom and respect for all. May our deep faith in you help us go as we are ready for others before us.
Thank you. Again, good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, Sir Edward.
Okay, you may now take your seat. Secretary, who is absent for today? Okay, thank you. I have a quick, I have a quick review for our lesson. Will you please give me some protective welding equipment in use in use in small in eight uses? Hero.
Welding gloves. It is used to protect the welders from heat and burn.
Okay, correct. The answer. Then Mark. Okay, correct. Anyone? One more. Ang ano?
Leather gloves. It is used to protect the hand from the heat and burn.
Okay, thank you. Exactly. All of your answer are correct. Okay. Before our lesson, before our lesson, watch this video. I have here a short video clip on how to set up welding machines accessories. Ano lang ano sa video.
Louder.
Based on video, what is topic for today? You-
So, mag-gymnastics.
Right. Topic for today is set up welding machine and equipment. Who wants to read? Miro.
At the end of the lesson, 100% of the students should be able to attain 80% level of proficiency.
Number number one. Who wants to read? Dominic.
Identify welding machine parts. Perform proper settings of the welding machine. Appreciate the importance of safety practice in setting up a welding.
This is objective.
So, kahit pakireplay nga sa objectives. Sige po, continue na po. Sorry. Pilungkot naman ng mga bata dito.
Yan. First one is welding machine. Who wants to read? DJ.
Welding machine is an device used to join materials together. It produces heat that makes metal parts so that parts can be joined.
Yan, may idea na ba kayo sa welding machine? Zero. Anong idea mo dun sa welding machine?
Kung paano siya ginagamit sa kung paano siya properly ginagamit sa pag-work.
Okay. Welding machine is a device used to join materials together to produce heat that melts metal parts so what parts can be joined. Naglalabas siya ng init and spark para mag-welding ng mga metal para pag-uuin. Okay? Basic parts of welding power source. Who wants to read? John Mike.
Current adjusting rotated either clockwise or counterclockwise until the mark within the indicator is set to the side out.
Yan, sino may idea dyan? DJ. Jill.
Idea po yan kung gano'n po kasi yung kuryente is nalagay para po mapuno yung rito para din po tayo.
Okay, thank you. Current adjusting wheel. Iniikot niyo yan pa clockwise or counterclockwise. Hinahanap niyo yung pinaka-ampere or lakas ng welding para kung sakto na, yun yung start. Kaya niyo ba? Okay, thank you. Current sa range indicator. Who wants to read? Angelo.
Current range indicator provides the current output using the welding machine.
Current range indicator. Dito nyo nakikita yung lakas ng ampere. Dito sa may pinaka yun na yan. Kung 100 ba or 200, 300. Yun yung makikita at yan yung matitibla yung katano ng ampere. Next is primary winding terminal. Who wants to read? John Mark. May idea ba kayo dito? Kay Jill?
Sir, dyan po gumagala yung kuryente na meron po siyang plug pinakapak sa saksakan po. Dyan po gumagala yung kuryente sa mapakita mo siya.
Okay, tama. Tama yung sinabi ni Jill. Mula sa power supply, tumataloy sa cable connection papuntang welding machine.
Maganda na yun.
Second winding terminal. Who wants to read? DJ.
Mas maganda pa.
Secondary winding terminals provide electrodes or cable to the cable connection to the welding machine.
Yan. Secondary winding terminals. May idea kayo dito? Hero.
Yung ano po sir, yung secondary nandito, siya po yung nagpakuno sa electric. Yung may wire po siya na nagagamit parang ano, ipang-welding sa mga bata.
Okay, dito. Secondary winding terminals is yung sa positive, nakalagay doon is electrode holder. Dito siya. Dito nyo ilalagay sa positive. Ito. Tapos yung negative output terminal, connect earth clamp, is ito naman yung tinatawag na clamp. Dito nyo didikit sa negative. Kasi sa negative nyo yung kakabit. Eh? Next is source of welding machine. Ayan. Current range indicator, current adjusting wheels, secondary winding terminals, primary winding terminals with cable. Tandaan nyo yun na yung kanina. Slide nyo. Let's proceed to welding machine accessories. Welding cables. Who wants to read? Dominic.
The current from the power source to the workpiece. Return cable. Return to the return pin. Electrode holder cable. Connect to the electrode holder.
Yan, wait. Welding cable. Return cable connected to the return clamp. Yung cable is kakabit niyo sa clamp.
Kasi sabi ko kanina.
Kakabit dito yun. Oh. Tapos yung sa electrode holder cable naman, connected to the electrode holder. Ganun din yung sa C-clamp. Kakabit nyo itong cable na to sa holder. Para makapag-proceed ng welding machine. Next is electrode holder. Who wants to read? Hero.
Electrode holder. Just to create the electrode holder should be relatively light.
Electrode electrode holder. Yung paggamit ba ng electrode holder, dapat mag-ano, mabigat. Bakit? Ano?
Marvel.
Hindi siya basta sa video. Parang
Okay, tama. Yung paggamit ng electrode holder, dapat magaan lang ng kamay nyo para di dumidikit yung electrode. Para dire-diretso yung pag-proceed nyo ng pag-welding nyo. Next is ito naman yung nagseset up ng arc welding. Ayun yung pag-ano mainly sa in power current plus indicator. Pupuntang electrode holder tapos yung work return ground. Ayan, para magkaroon ng ground, para mag-spark yung electrode holder, yung pinaka-electrode. Next is welding setup safety. Okay, welding setup safety. Who wants to read? DJ.
The arc welding should properly place in the work site and should be free from falling parts.
Yan, pag nagwe-welding kayo or nag-grinder kayo, dapat nakalayo yung welding machine nyo para iwas pumapasok ng mga sparks sa welding machine and sa pag-welding nyo para hindi pumasok sa loob ng welding machine sakaling muscle or mutok. Number 2, Dominic.
The machine should be stocked a safe space, but there must be room enough in the machine for air circulation, thus preventing overheating.
Yan. Yun naman is dapat yung welding machine nyo dapat may safety space siya para wag nyo ilalagay sa maiinit na pwesto, dapat sa malamig para iwas sa overheating na pag-init sobra. Dapat sa mga ganito yung may pagpapasukan ng mga hangin, guarantee siya ng overheating. Number 3, yan Mike.
The power should be turned off periodically and the machine should be cleaned afterwards.
Yan. Yan naman, pati rin yung mag-welding, patayin nyo yung power. Minsan may iba, may nakakalimutan pa. Nakabukas pa pag rin mag-welding dun. Pag rin yung mag-welding, kung yung mga wire, sa balambon nyo yung para hindi makalat. Para malinis, walang mapapagit ng mga kung sino pupunta doon. What else? Number 4, Hero.
The machine should be away from the cleaning process and any other corrosive fumes that can be blown through it.
And then, pag naglilinis kayo ng machine, dapat dapat malayo kayo sa mga tangke, yung mga mauusok para hindi pasukan yung machine. Sakaling magkaroon daw ng mga ano yun mga itim or alikabok any else. Sa number 5, who wants to read? Dominic.
Check the surrounding before starting to weld. There should be a safety watch.
Nandyan. Bago kayo sa number 5 is, bago kayo mag-welding, dapat itinan nyo muna kung fit ba kayo yung mga may malalaglag pang bakal or iba pang klaseng kahoy, gano'n. Tapos, titinan nyo gano'n. Okay, sa safety watch, what's to it? Ang ngayon.
Safety watch. It's a person who wants safety measures who can warn the other person.
Mas maganda dyan yung may nakakaalam sa safety para kung sakaling nasa panganib yung kasama nyo, masasabihan nyo siya, mapapaalalahanan niya, nasa panganib siya. Naintindihan niya? You'll get one half crosswise. Crosswise. Wala, crosswise. This one, identification. Identify the level part of the welding power source. Put your answer inside the box below. And pagpipilian nyo na sa box. Yung mga tanong ng ABC. Ayun yung mga tanong sa ABC. Kasi mga pagpipilian nyo ito yung nasa box. Galing ang ulit. Sagutan. You're done. Let's go. What's the welding part in column A? With description in column B. Write the letter of the correct answer. Just specify it. Letters only. Done.
Hindi na hindi ako. Tatanong mo.
Okay. King's favor. Then that's what happens. Wait. Another one, housewife assignment.
Wala ka. Kasi wala ka. Kasi magkakonect siya rin.
An assignment in one class is discuss your answer in 2 to 4 sentences in each of the following question. One is, what is the function of welding fixture? Number 2 is, what is the purpose of welding pistons?
Mhm. Gusto mo.
Okay, that's all for today's class. That's all for today's class.
Oh, bye, sir. Thank you for teaching.
Thank you.